So we are finding OM. So OM is C plus a half CD, but CD is D minus C. So it means that OM equals to C. OM is equal to C, then plus, open brackets, a half D, then minus a half C. So there we correct like terms. We have C here and we have C. We bring them together and we shall have C minus a half C, then plus a half D. So C minus a half C, you get a half C. Then plus a half D. Members, are we together?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So that is OM. Any question there?
No.
C minus a half C is a half C. Is it okay?
No.
It's not okay. I expected someone to ask. So we have C minus a half C. So take C outside. So what do you remain with? Here, if you remove C, you remain with 1, isn't it?
Yes.
Minus, if you remove C here, remain with a half. So what is 1 minus a half? What's 1 minus a half? You get a half, isn't it? So,
Yes.
so C times a half, which is a half what? C. So that's why I'm having a half C here. So we have used this, and our answer is that. So let us use this now and see whether, actually we used this. So let us use this and see whether we get the same answer. So I'm having OM equals to OD plus DM. Where is it coming from? From the diagram, our diagram. Like this. So OM is OD plus DM. OD plus DM. So it's what we are going to use. So OD is given as D. So OD is D plus DM. What is DM?
I have CM.
I have what?
DM.
It is a half DM, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Huh?
No.
Hmm?
Charles, how is it a half DM?
It is in that same. Now you are saying DM. Are we together? DM. Is it okay?
Right.
So DM is a half D. Sorry, DM is a half DC. Isn't it?
Yes.
Now it makes sense. Yeah?
Yes.
Does it make sense now?
Yes.
So DM in that direction, even DC in that same direction. Okay, from there, I'm asking you, what is DC? Members, what is DC? DC is
negative.
we know CD,
D.
isn't it? So what is DC? Is negative what?
Negative D. Negative D plus C.
Negative D minus.
Okay, we can have DC. We can say it is D. Okay, we can say it is D O plus OC, isn't it? Eh?
Yes.
Are you saying that? Or
Yes,
someone can say DC is negative CD. Also, that one works, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So let us first go with this first one. So here we shall have DO. So DO, what is DO?
Negative D.
Negative D.
Negative D, then plus OC, and our OC is what? Is C.
C.
So that means that DC is C minus D, isn't it? Now, let us, if someone had used this, they're saying that DC is negative CD.
CD.
What was CD? What was CD? Our CD was this. Do you remember?
CD was, yes.
So that means that I'll write negative CD, but my CD is this, which is D minus
C.
When I open brackets, I get negative D, isn't it? Plus C, isn't it?
Plus C.
I remain with C minus what?
Minus D.
You can see that you have the same things of C of DC, isn't it?
Yes.
So where you pass, you still get the same answer. Now we have not finished. We are getting OM. OM is OD plus BM, but BM is a half DC. So let us proceed here, and we shall say OM is equal to D plus a half
C minus D.
C minus what?
D.
So we shall have D plus, open brackets here, a half C. Okay?
Yes.
Are we there?
Minus. Yes.
Minus. Yes. A half
D.
Okay. Now what is the next step there?
Collecting like terms.
Correct, collecting like terms. So we have D minus a half
D. Plus.
So what is the answer here for D?
A half D.
D.
Now you know how to get a half. That's a half what?
C.
Half
C.
Okay. So that is OM. Now that is OM in the second step. Let us see whether it was. Is it the same as the previous one?
Yes.
Is it the same?
Yes.
Yes.
Same.
They are the same, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. So where you pass, you still get the same answer. If you pass from if you want to reach OM, you can pass from O to C to CM, or from O to D to DM. But normally you always take the easiest path. Okay. So that is the answer there. Try to zoom out. I want you to take note of that example with its solution and write them.
Which one?
That example, exact example, this one.
Okay.
Yeah. And we shall stop with that example. Is it okay? Then I'm going to give you an exercise of only one number only. When we come back the next on Thursday, as hold on, we shall look at these examples. Those examples. Once we do example 15, you'll be ready for your name. Example 16, you'll be ready for your name about vectors. Okay, you can take note of this example that you just done.
Hello.
Are you done?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. So let me leave that example.
Yes.
Do not do it. We shall start with that tomorrow. Let me give you one question. You have to one.
Which one?
Hold on. X, Y, Y, Z, Z, X in terms of A, B, and C.
Number 3.
Number 3.
Number one looks to be, number 2 looks to be very easy. First wait. Number 2, number 3.
Both.
Do for me both.
Okay.
You
Exercise.
you pass all of them, I'll send you a gift.
Data.
2.
Money.
Data.
You want money? Nabanja.
Data.
You want Nabanja's money.
You want data?
Yes.
Nabanja's money.
Nabanja is in your place, not this side.
Nabanja is lying.
Did she reach that side? Who's that one asking?
I got.
Dory.
She's lying.
I got.
Go away.
So you won't receive. So you're not going to receive.
So let me ask you this, Sherry.
Yes, teacher.
Check here.
Did you receive Nabanja?
They
That's
don't
an
know.
ID.
No, I didn't.
Oh, you didn't, you're a student. Okay, do questions 2 and 3.
Right now.
Yeah. Let me see, how long are we? Question 1, 2 is very easy. You have the answer of question 2. Are you just copying the question?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, just copy that question.
Maybe.
You send me the
Maybe.
answers. Tomorrow we have no lesson. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Who's teaching you physics?
What moon?
What more? Okay. Do you need a teacher of biology, chemistry?
Yes.
Yes. Oh,
How about history? Because Chabon is around.
Yes. Yes.
you want French?
Teacher, what of optional subject?
You want
Art.
French?
Literature.
I've told you the trick. The trick is
Teacher.
you need to support the platform.
Just make the payment.
Yeah, you talk to your parents about it, and then. But some of you, I know you have that money.
No.
Yes.
Like Bright, I know you have that money. Please.
Yeah.
Anyway, it is just a form of saying thanks what we are doing, and then because we have to make sure we get data put on the website, we have to make it to stay on. You understand? All the things, all the services are paid from where we get them. They are not for free, isn't it?
We understand.
Good.
Teacher, how are we supposed to send the money?
Okay, but are you finished copying?
Yes.
Almost.
Yeah.
Oh,
Take screenshot. So we send a new number.
I'm going to show
how
you.
do you send?
I'm going to show you.
That's right. This is alpha stubborn. Wow.
I'm going to show you. Hope you are not seeing what I'm doing.
We are seeing.
You are finished, right?
That's so beautiful.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
So what you do,
Yes, teacher. I'm saying my name.
we are left with 10 minutes. Anyway. So what you do is we have this screen, that you are seeing.
Yes.
So when you go here, this is a place where you go to and then see what you are having. So you go to students.
Okay.
So you log in. I'll use my demo student here. Student, you log in as a student. Use your credentials. Now, when you reach here, you check here. This is where the pending money will be. So when you reach here, you will see. So suppose you are the student with this invoice number. It's called admission fee. So 20,000. Is it okay? So you
Yes.
come and click here, pay now. Are you seeing this?
Yes.
Pay now. So once you go to pay now, you select, you first wait to use PaySapol. Leave PaySapol, but use bank transfer. Is it okay?
Yes.
Bank transfer. So in reach bank transfer, you go to your mobile money and send on this number. Once you send on that number, you type here the reference number. Are we together, which you get on your phone?
Yes.
You get the reference number, you type it there. If you have used a smartphone, you can take a screenshot and upload the receipt here. If you cannot get the receipt, you just put here the reference number and then you say proceed to pay. So when you press here that proceed to pay and we have received the money, we shall clear this amount. Is it okay? So we shall receive it and you shall clear it and you'll be at zero. You will not have any money pending.
Teacher, there is a question. So we are paying each teacher 20,000.
No, you are paying once.
So is it a must?
For today, it's not a must, but later on it will be a must.
So when we pay
Starting
now,
when?
You can also pay in installments. You can pay 10,000 like that.
Teacher,
Yes.
when will it start being a must?
By the end of by the end of tomorrow.
so only today.
So it's
Talk to your parents. You don't have this money. Talk to your parents about it.
Okay, teacher.
Yes.
Understood.
Understood. Is it a lot?
No.
No.
Teacher, it's not.
It came too
20,
soon.
20
No,
per
it's
month.
not.
20 per month. Is it a lot?
No.
Every month. What if you come to school?
Every month. 20 per month. 20. In
So
fact,
what if you don't complete the
we are
math?
saying 20 per week.
Every week.
Yes, 1 week. That's very small per week. Some of you have done private coaching with other teachers, and you know how much they charge, isn't it? So if we say 20 per week, that's not a lot. We are making it not a lot because we know you also buy data, and but you want to support such that the system stays online.
Okay, we have understood.
All right. So Bright,
Yes.
you still have any question about the payment?
No.
So I expect yours tomorrow. Is it okay?
No.
Today even, teacher.
In a day.
Please,
Yeah, I will pay.
you try to clear. Otherwise,
Shall
if
wait for us to sort ourselves?
all right, no problem.
Shall let August first start?
Okay,
We are coming to school.
by the end of this month, we expect that this will be okay.
Okay, teacher.
Onyiru Sharon, you've just come in, but we are ending the lesson.
It comes as it burns.
Otherwise, you people. I think let us. Yeah. This now you post the reviews on what? You post the reviews on WhatsApp, and I'll be able to put them on the website. Because on WhatsApp I can get your picture. Some of you did not upload your photos, so I don't have your. Is it okay?
You have not heard.
You have not
How
had.
do we upload that? As in our personal photos or?
Passport photo, the way you look like. Let me show you.
Okay.
So if we are here,
Yeah.
so some of you see yourselves there. Just the reviews that you make somewhere here.
Okay.
So I put them here. Is Orishaba there?
Yes.
So I saw for Orishaba today, I put it there. I saw for Lucy, it is there. For these ones we are for 2 weeks, like that. So when you send your photo, it looks nice there. But if you don't send your photo, it looks like this.
This is where we're going to register the students.
So I want Bright, send your review on
Yes.
my line.
Okay.
If you don't know my line, let me type it here. 07
Okay.
0477 9122. That's my number.
First wait, teacher.
If you can't see it there, it is the one here. Are you seeing it?
Yes.
Yeah. 07
All right. Okay, you guys have a great. Is it a great evening?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you very much for
Likewise.
attending. I hope you have got something. Yeah?
Yes.
So by next year when you coach, things will be okay. Take care and put on a face mask.
Excuse me,
But you're
teacher.
going to move.
Teacher.
And you
You're
table.
ever at home.
You're lying.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes, who's
Other
asking?
Teacher, me.
Esther.
Teacher, like, if you're not submitting the work, you just go to that
Yeah, the
platform
lesson
and
is
do
going.
homework. Then where they say submit homework, you
Hey,
put it
you can
there.
submit there.
Okay.
Yes. If not, you can submit on my line there of WhatsApp. Is it okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Hiding your face.
Someone with a hand, Patricia.
Yeah.
Patricia, you are testing whether the hand is working. Patricia?
There's nothing to say.
All right. Thank you for being a good class. We meet on Thursday.
Okay, teacher.
Those who have
Thank you for being a
have
good
paid, I will
teacher.
admit them.